karang kabiyo na. Of course, before we fully enter our world of magic and imagination tonight, let us thank first our great Creator, our Almighty Father, for the opportunity that we are able to attend this activity tonight. And also equally important to acknowledge the real-life heroes who become instrument in staging this activity that we have. Our leaders of our beloved municipality of Carmen, the Honorable Mayor Carl P. Villamor. With him is our East members, Honorable Kyle Bono, Honorable Aryan Bataw Bono, Honorable Rashid Tapoko, our ITCOM Chair, Honorable Edward Tapoko, Honorable Richard Sarat, Honorable General Inco, ang atong kugihan na ABC President, Honorable Luis Manuna, with the barangay captains from the different barangays of our municipality. Our Eastern Federation Chairperson, Honorable Ana Trixie Bihok. We are also very much honored with the presence of our beloved provincial board member, Board Michael Villamor, and of course with his staff. We have also our PT officers. We have our honorary chairman, Mr. Papito Alimbay, on behalf of the Federated PTA President, Ma'am Irma Matisa. We have also our retirees, kaway-kaway sa kamot mga atong mga mentors in the Department of Education. Our school heads from the 25 public schools in our municipality. We have also our partners from the private schools, readers, teachers, the Papistia officers, or the Carmen Public Elementary and Secondary Teachers, Retirees and English Association, headed by our new elected President, Mr. Ernesto Pulipapa. The technical working group, and of course, our district staff. We have also our division supervisors. We have Madam Rosemary Oliverio, Sir Isaias Wagas, atong Higala. Ang ato sa Higala kita sa district sa Borbon, si Sir Edgar Pinapal. O ang atong Dardo sa lungsod sa Carmen, ang atong mga fellow district supervisors from the District of Asturias School, Dr. Ariel Bugog. We have also the district supervisor of Santa Fe District, Dr. Alvin Chavez. Ako rin, ating logo si Alvin. Atong pakmakan. The panel of adjudicators, our panel of judges will be introduced later. And of course, very important for tonight's activity, the guiding light, the guiding star of the Division of Cebu Province, our very own tagapangalaga ng karunungan, Post Leadership, lights the way for every school, teaching and non-teaching employees and learners, our very own, our beloved Superintendent Celine Priscillo P. Paulin. Thank you so much, sir. To all parents, ani ang karong meeting. To all the children, our learners, from kinder, o doon ay mga kinder, from elementary, secondary, o sa tanan, na tingalin, ahihan, na wala itong makinig, maayo, o malimayong kami na itong tanan. Pag-usap, pero sa dili pa itong padayon, muna lang ito ipangutanan sa atong audience karong gabi mo na. Tinuod itong naghuwad sa Teacher's Night. Higay tayo, brother ni Tinuod. Okay, salamat. Tonight, as we showcase various talents of our gifted personnel, the teachers, and the non-teaching personnel, with our theme, Pinoy Fantasy World, then celebrating the face of our patron saint, Saint Augustine de Hippo, let us join in celebrating not only our creativity, but also our culture, values, and enduring power of education. Let me also take this opportunity to thank all the gifted employees for working overtime and spending your hard-earned money in preparing our activity to be able to at least organize these presentable dances, songs that may inspire us to work forward as we face daily challenges. Because even with a very limited time to practice, we are here happy to perform again as our way of thanking St. Augustine for all the good things, for all the blessings that will happen that we receive in each life. To all the performers, maghan tayong salamat, wish you all a lot, and let us just enjoy every bit of the music as you dance in your assigned piece. With all of that, I suggest all of you to sit back, relax, and stay comfortable while enjoying a night of wonder, talent, and true Filipino pride. Happy Fiesta in advance, and welcome to Picnic Night 2025. Mayroon kami kausap.
Thank you so much, sir.